Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the Bolt app, step by step. First, make sure you have the Bolt app installed. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Bolt, and download it. Once installed, tap Open to get started. When you first open the app, you'll need to create an account. Enter your mobile number, then fill out your basic details like name and email. After that, you'll see the home screen of the app. On the home screen, you'll notice three main buttons at the bottom, a search bar labeled Where To, and a menu icon with three lines in the top left. Let's break down what each section does. The first button takes you to the Account section. Here, you can edit your personal info like email, name, and contact details. You can also upload a profile photo, create a family profile, and adjust safety settings like trusted contacts and pickup codes. You'll also find login and security options, such as two-step verification, linking Google or Facebook, and setting passkeys. Under Privacy, you can even download your personal data if needed. Other useful settings include saving your home and work addresses, changing your language, managing communication preferences, and even connecting your calendar to schedule rides. And if you prefer, you can turn on dark mode or delete your account here as well. The second button is for rides. Here, you can view upcoming scheduled rides and a history of your past trips. It's a convenient way to track where you've been and what rides you've booked. The third button brings you back to the home screen. Tap the menu icon at the top left, and you'll find shortcuts to payments, promotions, My Rides, safety settings, expenses, and support. In the Payments section, you can add a debit card, credit card, or even PayPal to pay for rides automatically. Just enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV, then tap Add Card. You can also set up a work profile to manage business trip expenses. Promotions let you see any available discounts or coupons, while the Support section is where you can reach out if you run into billing issues, app errors, or need help with your account. So, how do you actually book a ride? It's simple. From the home screen, tap the Where To bar, enter your destination, and confirm. The app will show the price at the bottom left. Once you agree, select your payment method and confirm your ride. You can also schedule a ride in advance. Just choose Schedule a Ride, pick your date, time, and destination, then confirm. Add your preferred payment method, and you're set. Bolt also offers features like setting your home and work addresses for quick booking, enabling safety tools such as trusted contacts, and using dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. And that's it. You're now ready to use the Bolt app to book and schedule rides. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more app guides.